Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to look at how we can write comments in Markdown, especially if you're using it on VS Code or GitHub. So the first way is you basically just press Ctrl and then slash, and then it is the standard HTML version. You can just say this is a comment, and this is how you can write a comment. So when I go to preview, you can see it doesn't appear. So another way to write a comment is, so the second way of writing a comment is we shall leave an empty line and then press enter to another empty line. And then we shall open square brackets and we can write something here near. This is a comment. And then outside this, put those two colons. And then when you preview, you can see that the comment is not showing. So basically, this is how you can write comments in Markdown. Let me know if you have any other questions around Markdown.